Okay, so see here, on 3rd of Jan, we were about to receive our admit card. We could not receive. They didn't release the admit card. On 7th, I mean 3rd and 7th, both the days, we could not. So what if this same thing will extend for long time? Like, because we have to keep on visiting the website, the official website. I'm talking about the GATE exam, and whatever videos I make, especially I make for the aerospace aspirants. See, I have a plan. That's why I'm making this video. If admit card is being delayed but gate exam is not being shifted, I mean the examination date, that is as it is, then no problem. If they are delaying in admit card but gate exam is on time, no problem at all, we will follow the same schedule. So see, now three types of students I will classify. Students who are under my guidance, like either crash course batch or regular batch or TCG or something, like one type of student, and another type of student who are into some other coaching center, some other institute preparing for GATE aerospace exam, and third type, they are completely based on self study, and but they have taken test series not from me, from someone else. Okay, so see here, this guidance is helpful for everyone. What to do? See, right now there is no admit card. Okay, if admit card will come, then of course on the admit card date will be mentioned for the exam, that on this particular date and at this particular center you'll be having your exam. But actually in some cities, lockdown, like in Chennai, right, I'm in Chennai, so I think before 2 or 3 days, we had lockdown here, and now I'm under lockdown. So but we have some set of rules, we have to follow that. It's not very hard and fast like in 2022 2020 we had the lockdown system. 2021, right? It's not like that tough, we are able to, but still like colleges and something, it is all about Omicron is being spread and number of cases are increasing. So that's why like government is under situation that they have to work properly, they have to find out everything, and they have to come up with the right solution. Because anyway, you may not be like, no, it's totally fine. Everyone knows that people got promoted 10th standard, 11th, 12th standard. Like situation is when situation was out of control, that's why they did all these things. My plan is, if this time also situation is something and we are not getting admit card on time, in that case what should we do? So my plan is very simple, very simple plan. See, I have told you guys that I will give you 15 full length test series, right? So what will I do? As per my schedule, we will be activating our full length test series. I mean, we will be starting our full length test series on 13th of Jan. Okay, as per the previous schedule. So 13th of Jan will be having our first full length test series. So we will be having until the admit card is not coming. See, one thing is sure, if admit card is not, see, again I'm saying it may not be sure, but like it seems to be sure that if admit card is not, admit card didn't come on time, then of course there is huge chance that gate may postpone. So what will I do? See, we have 15 full length test series, because see, if we will not make any, if you don't have far vision and suddenly you will put yourself into situation, then it will be difficult, because we have 1 year of complete long preparation, and in that preparation we have achieved a lot. So last 20-30 days or 1 month should not ruin our preparation. So for that purpose, first 10 test series we will be solving properly. Properly means it's like on 13th, on 15th, on like the way I have made the schedule, we will be following that kind of pattern in the full length test series. But after that, when the full length test series will like 10 test series will get over, then we'll be ready properly. Okay, but the 5 test series, the last 5 test series will keep in pending. We will attempt that test series once the admit card is being released, so that you can be in touch properly. It should be very difficult if you will finish all the test series on time by keeping 13th Feb exam date in mind, and all test series got over, and now you don't have any test series, you don't have anything to prepare well. So in that case, then you will be looking for another coaching or another test series or something else or something else or something else. You will be in trouble. So that is the best idea. 10 test series, something 10 or 9 or 11 or 12, something those many test series we will discuss with regular batch students, and we will come to the plan. So this is my rough idea. Okay, like some test series, roughly 10 test series we will do as per our schedule. And if exam date is being postponed, anyway on 15th we are going to start our new batch for 2023. Like we'll be having our first batch, I mean first day, 2023. So all the admissions, like some registrations are going on, and for 2023 new batches are already I have got some 7-8 inquiries, and out of that some inquiries are fixed. So for them we will start on 15th Feb, and remaining students when they will be coming, and will be adding, like this year I had continuous admissions in every month. Even in this month, in September month, in December month, last month, I had admission in the crash course. So admission is second thing. I hope in this way if we work out, it will be fine. And one very important thing, if exam date will postpone for 10 to 15 days, that will not affect you psychologically. But I feel, see, it is my own thing. Okay, you should not claim like, sir, you said this, that's why I attempted this and I followed this and now everything. No. You should have your own thought process as well. Only my video will give you some direction. You should not claim that, sir, I'm going to put FIR against you, so this happened, and because of your suggestion I kept into this. No, it's not like that. Just you consider this as one more dimension of into your thought process. Now you see, roughly 10 test series we will continue as per our schedule. In that, until admit card is not coming, once the admit card will come, date will be printed on the admit card, right? So then we will decide the last 5 test series. If there is delay of more than 1 month in the exam, like on 13th of Feb we have exam. Right now the date is 13th Feb for aerospace I'm talking, and just after 13th Feb, if suppose March is like 13th March or something, 20th March, if exam goes like delay, in that case situation will be somewhat psychologically challengeable. So we have to understand that in that case revision is very important. Most of the time whenever we get chance to prepare well, 2 types of situations will happen. There is very less chance that you may prepare or you may revise in that given time. Mostly what happens, we don't use that extra time, and whatever we have prepared already, that also we put into dump. So what I'm trying to come up, I hope you are clear with. So we are totally having 15 full and test series in that, and of course because we have to start the new batch as well. So everything we have to make as per schedule. I don't want to leave my old batch students as well. So in everything I'm putting in my mind, like, okay, what can be the best test out of best, that thing I'm talking. I hope you will like this part, right? Okay, so that main thing is continuity should not break, because anyway you are not going to quit the GATE exam. Even though GATE exam is being delayed, we have to attempt the GATE exam. I understand the seriousness of the GATE exam. For some students are like, they have left their job and they are preparing for GATE exam. Some students, they have taken complete 1 year drop only for the GATE exam for aerospace department. So in this critical serious situation, we should plan every day properly. So right now no need to worry. For at least for next 1 week, no need to worry. And every day two times or 3 times you visit the website. Anytime we may have some good news, and then we will plan accordingly. Whatever I wanted to say, main thing I explained. This is clear. One more thing I want to add in this. You have your own notes, right? In that note, everything no need to revise properly, because there are some small points that you know already. So I told you long back to create one short note with the help of this long notebook. So that short note for all the subjects, you should sit and revise every day. What my point is, suppose you have a short note with 100 pages. So if it is not possible for you to revise 100 pages every day, then what you do, you start with page 1. And whatever time you are assigning for yourself for the revision purpose, suppose you are assigning 2.5 hours every day in the morning, or any one time. See, college work is different, office work is different, but GATE preparation is also mandatory. So any one side you keep GATE preparation, and any if you're not free in the evening, then morning you assign for the GATE preparation. Now the last time. So sorry. So what will you do? Suppose you have your short notes of 100 pages, then you start with like page 1, page 2, page 3, keep on revising, and if your time gets over, then stop there, and next day you don't revise again from the page 1, you start from where you have left, the short notes alone, and you attempt the full length test series. That's all. And of course in the night time we are discussing the full length test series, so it is again going to be helpful a lot. So I will be keep in touch on YouTube and all the social media, so that you can be very comfortable. You should not be panic, okay, now what to do. Especially I am focusing on those students who are following my videos on YouTube, like some self-study guidance, right? So that's all from my side. Thank you.